Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your Sunday with DWG, and I think you're going to be hearing my voice and my mug a lot today and tomorrow, as we have the possibility of our first significant snow development, snow event. Sorry, as fate would have it. The system that looked paltry 2 days ago and didn't look to affect the area looks to affect the area. Excuse me, I had to sip a little coffee. Um, as of now, really not much has been. The only thing that looks to be of question is the northern extent of this system, and this is just one model run, and this is the GFS. The GFS is the farthest north, let's say, with it going as far as Allentown and Poconos, but the heavier amounts are south and east of there. So the circumstances are, however far north it presents itself, um, this looks to be mostly a mid-Atlantic, south and east of 95 event. Finally, we are going to get a dose of ours. Finally, after all these near misses and all these crud storms and such like that. So this looks to start about tomorrow morning at around 6 o'clock and go all day tomorrow. So in terms of amounts, I'm not going to get into that. Actually, I'm going to show you my post, but um, so you can see the low here, 996. And the reason why this has kind of amped up in the last few days is because um, this low has become stronger and it was being modeled stronger. And so it's pulling down more cold air. Now, to what extent that it actually does that, of course, nobody really knows. So we're hoping well, that would need to be the case, or else this is going to be a mostly mixed to rain event for 90% of the state. So uh, we can't get I'm not going to kind of superimpose my um, analysis as of yet, but just saying that this is a strong possibility, and it's out there for now. I'm going to be posting this shortly. So I said I have some good news for snow weenies like myself. Snow is coming, and I have some bad news in that we're still 24 hours out, and we still need to figure out some details. Okay, so, and what I say is from Tallyville, Greenville area to Smyrna, you could see as much as 8 inches, and from Smyrna to Georgetown beaches, Eastern Shore near the beaches, you could be seeing as much as 10 inches, and it's crap. Those are crazy high amounts for right now to even think of that. So don't even think of that. That's just on the super high end. Also, all of us in the area could see as little as 2 to 6 inches. So there's the opposite side of that coin. Um, when I post this morning, please do not ask me for specific snow requests as to where you live. I'm going to be preaching at you find a Google map, you know where you live. If you're in the areas that I have extensively laid out, if you're in the Tallyville Greenville area, all to the Smyrna line, then that's where generally you're going to be, okay, for this event. So no specific. Please, I can't do that, and it's inappropriate for those kinds of requests anymore, and I'm not going to answer it. And just so know where you are, know where you live, and boom, you can get a general amount. And again, it's the first guess. It's not written in stone. So we're going to concentrate on this event mostly, and throughout the day I'll have updates. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guys, saying adios. Have a great Sunday.